So maybe you heard about trading and you want to start finding out how to start trading yourself, right? Or maybe you already know how to trade and you just want to find a better edge. Don't worry, guys. I got you guys covered. I'm going to be posting a video series on my YouTube channel on how exactly to start trading and analyzing any market. Whether you want to start trading stocks, forex, futures, commodities, etc., it's all going to be covered in this course. So for us to begin, we have to look at one of the things that we will look at trading every single day, right? One of the things that we mostly will look at while we're trading are these candlesticks, okay? These candlesticks are called Japanese candlesticks. It's a form of a chart that represents price and time in a chart, okay? So the way that these charts represent time and price, well, that is through time frames and different price levels, right? So to get started of what a candlestick is or how it forms, well, first we have to know that there's two different types of candlesticks, right? We have a bearish candle, or also called a down candle. And we have an up candle, or also called a bullish candle. That's why you guys mostly see bulls and bears when we talk about Forex, right? Because of these two candlesticks. Any candle that opens up and closes low, it is called a bearish candle or a down candle. And any candle that opens and closes higher than it opened, it is called a bullish candle or an up candle. So let's talk about the bearish candle here. As you guys can see, the bearish candle, we have a high, we have an open, a close, and a low, okay? So the opening price depends on the time frame that you're looking at, right? So let's say this is a daily candle. And we're going to go ahead and talk about more in about time frames and all in a little bit. But I just want to get you guys familiarized with these candlesticks. So let's say this is a daily candle. So that means that what it took this candle to form was a full trading day. Okay. So the open indicates where price opened up as the starting point of this daily candle or this trading day. Okay, we have the opening price, and then we have also the closing price, which indicates to us where price closed as the day ended. Okay, and between those prices, between those price points, we might have a high and also a low. The high will indicate what was the highest price during that trading day, and the low will indicate us where that lowest price of that trading day was. Okay, next we have an up candle or a bullish candle, where, as you guys can see, instead of having the opening on the top, we have the opening on the bottom. Okay, this is where a day opened up and we closed around higher than where we opened up. Okay, so when a day finishes or a candlestick finishes, we'll have that closing price. In between all that trading day, we might have a price point high, which is where the price traded the highest during that day, and a price point low where price traded the lowest during that trading day. So now I'm going to go ahead and take you here to the charts. And on my next video, I will explain on how to utilize this platform, which is TradingView. I'll be teaching you guys how to use it so that way you guys can get more familiarized with it. But as you guys can see on the top here, we have different time frames. As I mentioned, we have the daily candles, which is where we're on right now. Okay, you guys can see it's 1 day, indicates that each candlestick is formed during a full trading day. Okay, so if you guys look at this indicator that I have here called the daily box, it'll pretty much surround a full day. So if I head down to, let's say, a 1 hour time frame, you guys can see that there's approximately 24 bars or 24 candlesticks. Okay, we grab it from the very open down to the close. You guys can see that we had 23 days, and that's because this is an index open 1 hour. Well, they have a 1 hour period where they don't trade at all. Instead of opening up at the normal time at 5 p.m., we're actually opening up at 6 p.m. here. So since we're on the 1 hour time frame, there's going to be 23 candlesticks for indices where they trade. As you guys can see, we have the opening price right here, where the first candlestick formed during the full day. We have the highest price here, okay, because this candle came all the way up here to form a high. And we also have a down candle right there, which is where the trading day ended or closed. And we also have the lowest price right there. So if you guys head over to the daily time frame again, you guys could actually see that what we actually marked was the actual opening price, the highest price, the lowest price, and the closure of this down candle here or bearish candle. Okay, we have another day right here, which as well we could use the low. Okay, and let me go ahead and erase this here for you. We have the lowest price during this day, since it's a daily candle. We have the opening price, right? It's a bullish candle, so the bottom is the opening price, the bottom of the body. Then we have the closing price, and the high is very close to the closing price, so you might not see it well, but there it is. There's a little bit of difference there. So let's head over down to the 1 hour time frame once again, and click on my daily box indicator so we can know exactly where that day was. So as you guys can see, all these candlesticks represent 1 hour each, one trading hour. They each have their opening price, their high, their low, and their close to each candlesticks. And we outlined, as you guys saw on the daily time frame, we actually outlined the same high, low, open, and down, and close for that candlestick. And you guys can see this is where we opened up for the day. We came down making the very low right here and came all the way up to make the high and close right near the high. Okay, and this is all with all different price time frames. Sorry. So this is a 5-minute time frame, meaning that each candlestick is gonna measure of movement in price during 5 minutes each. Right? We have another bullish candle here with the open, the low, the high, and the close, meaning that will be a bullish candle since it's painted in blue and we opened up lower than we closed. We also have another 5-minute candle where it opened, it made a high, came down to make a low, and closed, right? So that would be a bearish candle or a down candle. So these are candlesticks, and this is something crucial for your trading. This is one thing that you want to really study if you want to get a really good edge in trading, right? On my next video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to use this platform and how to personalize it or customize it to your preference, okay? So I hope you guys like this video. If you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you could receive notifications when I'll start uploading the new videos after I post this one as well. And if you like the video, make sure to hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.